Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Zone with Trishy. Today we're going to read a story about saying goodnight. Say goodnight, Disney baby. Are you ready? All right, let's start. It's time for bed, so let's get ready. I say goodnight toys and hello Teddy. Oh, look at Teddy's fluffy belly. It's so soft. When it's time for a bath, I make a big splash. Then dry off in a soft, comfy towel. Ooh, I like this green soft towel. It's so comfy. I hurry up and brush my teeth so we can read my favorite bedtime story. The cow jumped over the moon. I love this story. Mama rocks me to sleep in a sweet lullaby. Time to make a wish on a twinkling star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mama gives me a goodnight kiss, mwah, then tiptoes away. And we all fall fast asleep. Sweet dreams, little ones. Good night, sweet baby. Good night, sweet kittens. Meow. How many kittens are in the basket asleep? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 kittens asleep. The red blanket is so soft. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.